how to recover deleted Facebook messages on Messenger. So if you want to recover deleted Facebook messages on your Messenger, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. And after that, go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon, and scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, and tap on Settings. Under Settings, you need to scroll down again, and you will find an option of Download Your Information. Tap on Download Your Information, and then tap on Continue, and it will take you to the Account Center. So just wait for a few seconds, and then tap on Download or Transfer Information, select your Facebook, tap on Next, and tap on specific types of information, and choose the messages. Tap on Next, tap on Download to Device, or if you want to transfer to a destination, you can choose the second option. I'll just simply go with Download to Device, and now you need to select the date range, the email, the format, the media quality, and everything, and then tap on Create Files. So choose the date range. You can also customize the date range, and tap on Save, and then tap on Create Files. That's it. Now it might take a few hours or a few days to receive a notification, and once you've received a notification, then you can go with Scheduled, and here you will have the file. You can download the file from here. So that's how you can recover your deleted Facebook messages on your Messenger. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.